And good morning and welcome back to SocaScents, where Soca and fragrances are life. There we go. Now, alright, we are here to talk about Angel Share. Again, this was a treat to wear for the week. I enjoyed every bit of this scent. Every bit of it. That initial spray you do is straight booze. It's straight boozy, rich, it's warm, it's spicy, okay? Now what I love about this scent, that it sits light. It's not a thick scent. It's not cloying. It's not sticky. It's not too sweet. It wears very light, and I love that. The note breakdown is very straightforward, okay? As this scent starts to dry down, it gets spicy. To me, it gets more spicy, and it has a sweetness, a warmth to it. Oh my! And I believe it teeters to a gourmand. I do not think it's a full gourmand. I say that because it's not cloying, it's not sweet, it's not sticky. It doesn't really have that hard-hitting depth as a true gourmand, in my opinion. You will have that sweet gourmand vibe here and there. It comes and goes. But for me, I'm getting the spices, and that booze quality remains throughout the entire longevity of the scent. And I like that. This scent has more booze than spice, but the spices are still there. All right. It sort of gives me a vibe of Initio side effect, but in Initio you get more spices than booze, and you have that little bit of gourmand in there to make it so appealing. In Angel Share, you get more of the booze with some spices with a little bit of gourmand. I like that. But again, what's really making me appreciate it is that it wears light. It feels light. It's not attacking your nose. It's not attacking your senses like your typical full gourmand scents. Let's jump into the performance, which I love. Longevity is amazing. 12 plus hours, hands down. If you spray this on clothes, it stays there, and you will smell it the next day. I'm impressed from the longevity. Beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous. No issues there. Projection, 2 to 3 feet. Sillage, amazing. That scent trail is gonna hit those around you. It's so captivating. It's warm, spicy, alluring, sensual. It's a beautiful scent. And the fact that it sits light, it's not going to offend those around you. Beautiful scent. Beautiful. Let's recap. Boozy, yes. Spicy, yes. With a little bit of sweetness. Top 3 you will get from this scent. It wears light. Great projection. Beautiful sillage. No complaints. Pick it up if you can. Get a sample if you can. Try it out. Test it out. You will not be disappointed. Positive feedback. Great. Guaranteed. It comes in this packaging here. See that there? Angel Share. Let's zoom in if I can. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful bottle. Beautiful bottle. Now this scent reminds me of what? The holidays. It's the perfect time to wear it. Perfect season to wear it. Same as Apple and Aces from Genre Parfums. It reminds me of a drink that I have now, which I want to show you guys here. Okay, this Serrano. The reason why is because it has such a smooth taste. It's smooth. It doesn't have that bite, and it has faint spices in there, which I love. It's a smooth drink. So we are definitely going to have our Serrano. Cheers from me to you with eggnog. So this is going to be our drink for the morning. I know it's a little early, but it's okay. Happy holidays from your partner, me, SocaScents, to you and your family. My eggnog. Blessings to you, and we will vibe again next week. All right. Thank you for checking in. I'll see all you soon. Cheers. So smooth.